For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Kia Sportage EX in bright silver with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder all-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lighting controls as well as differential locking, hill descent and traction control. You also have your dash controls here for the trip. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have media control, hands-free dialing, as well as cruise control. When you start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages as well. You have your odometer reading in your trip there, so we can push on the trip button and toggle through. So trip B, range, average, kilometers, average again, lapse time, the outside temperature, eco driving, and then back around again. In the center, we have our media that we can see here with the CD. You also have Sirius satellite radio, AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth, and volume and tuner, as well as your hazard lights. Down below is dual climate control with front and rear defrost, as well as AC. And below that, you have your 12-volt auxiliary iPod USB. You have heated seats for both driver and passenger on the other side, an automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders, and as well an armrest that opens up with more storage. Off to the side is a glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, your sunglass holder, as well as your lights. And when you want to open up the sunroof, you can do so. You also have a backup camera, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see it in your rear view mirror. And there you go, there's the view. And then I'm just going to put it back into park for you. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, running board, chrome door handle, driver's side fuel cap. Back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper. Your backup camera is to the left of your license plate. And when you want to open up that hatch, you simply put your hand underneath in the center and pull right up. It opens easily, and inside you have an all-weather mat as well as a tonneau cover, and there's also clips to be able to tether things. There's a light off to the side. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand in the handle, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily bring down the seat, and you now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing the tonneau cover and an all-weather mat. On the back of the seats, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats. Easily lift the seat back up with a push, and then you can bring the armrest down, and it's got a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and up above, hooks, handles, and lighting.
Privacy glass, window vents, roof rails, powered side view mirrors, HID headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.